Hello guys, a very good morning to all of you. Today I will be talking about adverse drug effects. Adverse drug effect is any undesirable or unintended consequence of drug administration. It is a broad term. It includes all types of noxious effect. It may be minor, moderate, severe or even lethal. When it is a minor drug adverse effect, then no therapy is required. Antidote or prolongation of hospitalization is required. If it is a moderate side effect, then it requires change in drug therapy, specific treatment or prolonged hospital stay by at least 1 day. When the drug adverse effect is severe, it is potentially life-threatening, causes persistent damage or requires intensive medical treatment. When the drug adverse effect is lethal, it directly or indirectly contributes to death of the patient. Now comes side effects, which is generally different from the adverse drug effects. These are unwanted but often unavoidable pharmacodynamic effects that occur as therapeutic doses. Reduction in dose generally alleviates the symptoms. Example is atropine is used as pre-anesthetic medication in order to reduce the bronchial secretions, but it produces dryness of mouth as a side effect due to its anticholinergic effect. Acetozolamide acts as a diuretic by promoting bicarbonate excretion, but there is uncompensated metabolic acidosis occurs as a side effect. Now, secondary effects. These are indirect consequences of a primary action of drug. Example, suppression of bacterial flora by tetracyclines paves the way for superinfection. Now comes toxic effects. These are the result of excessive pharmacological action of the drug due to overdosage or prolonged use. Example is morphine causes respiratory failure in overdosage. Emetine, which is an anti-amoebic, causes myocardial damage as toxic effect. Streptomycin causes vestibular damage as on prolonged use. Poisoning. Poisoning may result from large doses of drugs because it is the dose which distinguishes a drug from a poison. It is cured by termination of exposure by removing the patient to fresh air. Also by preventing the absorption of ingested poisons. A suspension of 20 to 40 mg of activated charcoal in 200 ml of water may be administered. This is the universal antidote. Maintenance of patent airway and adequate ventilation. Maintenance of blood pressure and heartbeat. And finally, hastening elimination of poison by the kidney, that is rapid biotransformation in the liver, and finally excretion by the kidney. Intolerance. It is the appearance of characteristic toxic effects of a drug in an individual at therapeutic doses. It is the converse of tolerance that indicates the low threshold of the individual to the action of a drug. Example, only a few doses of carbamazepine, usually used in seizures, can cause ataxia in some people. Chloroquine may cause vomiting and abdominal pain in an occasional patient. Idiosyncrasy. It is the genetically determined abnormal reactivity to a drug. Example, barbiturates can cause excitement and mental confusion in some individuals. Quinine or quinidine can cause muscle cramps, diarrhea, purpura, asthma and vascular collapse in some patients. These were some of the drug effects that I wanted to discuss in this video. Thank you guys.